Ready to learn why property growth is tipped to pick up pace in the coming months? Get ahead of the curve with our exclusive insights into the future trends. It's time for another deep dive into the Aussie real estate market. Today, we are uncovering the latest trends and statistics that are shaping the landscape. From soaring prices to shifting rental trends, we have got it all covered. Let's start with some eye-catching news. More homes are being resold within just 2 years of purchase. This trend is especially prominent in regional Queensland, Brisbane and Perth. In regional Queensland, about 13% of properties are resold within 2 years. Eliza Owen from CoreLogic explains that owners are cashing in on recent capital gains to buy in more desirable areas. In Evanston, Adelaide, over 30% of properties sold were only owned for 2 years, with home values rising nearly 30%. Shifting gears to property prices, they are expected to keep rising throughout 2024 and 2025. Performance Property predicts high price increase for houses and units in Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane. The NAB Residential Survey forecasts property price growth of about 5% this year and 4% next year. Tim Lawless from CoreLogic notes that we can expect further upward pressure on housing values due to high demand and limited supply. Now let's talk about the rental market. It's a tough time for renters. According to realestate.com, 72% of renters feel they have to compromise on price, location, and features. Over 52% of renters face financial difficulty due to high rent payments. Popular suburbs for smaller rental properties includes Richmond in Victoria and Newtown in New South Wales. For smaller units, Melbourne CBD tops the list, followed by Richmond and Sydney CBD. Perth, Brisbane and Adelaide saw the strongest growth. Brisbane is now the second most expensive capital city in Australia, surpassing Melbourne with a growth of 13.69% over the past year. Thanks for tuning in to our Aussie property market update. If you are keen to stay ahead of the game in Aussie property market, hit that subscribe button and tune in for the notifications. Share this video with your mates and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take care.